Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming healthcare as we know it. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, AI is revolutionizing how we approach medicine. One of the most exciting areas of AI in healthcare is the development of smart wearables. These devices are equipped with sensors and algorithms that can track our health in real time, providing valuable insights to both patients and doctors. The potential of AI in healthcare extends far beyond wearables. AI is being integrated into imaging equipment, diagnostic tools, and even surgical instruments. This is leading to faster, more accurate diagnoses, more effective treatments, and ultimately, better health outcomes for patients. As a medical professional, I am incredibly excited about the future of AI in healthcare. The possibilities are truly limitless, and I believe that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. Smartwatches and fitness trackers have become increasingly popular in recent years. These devices can track a wide range of health metrics, including heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. AI algorithms can then analyze this data to provide personalized insights and recommendations.
For example, some smartwatches can detect irregular heart rhythms, such as atrial fibrillation, which can be a sign of a serious heart condition. Others can track sleep stages and provide tips for improving sleep quality. By providing us with real-time feedback on our health, smart wearables can empower us to make healthier choices.
The convenience and accessibility of smart wearables make them a valuable tool for promoting healthy habits. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply looking to be more mindful of your health, these devices offer a convenient and engaging way to track your progress and stay motivated. Biosensors are at the heart of smart wearables and other AI-powered health devices. These tiny sensors can track a variety of physiological signals, including heart rate, blood pressure, and even blood glucose levels. The data collected by biosensors is then analyzed by AI algorithms to provide real-time insights into our health. For example, continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, use biosensors to track blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. This information can help them manage their condition more effectively and avoid potentially dangerous fluctuations in blood sugar. The development of new and improved biosensors is crucial to the advancement of AI in healthcare. As these sensors become smaller, more accurate, and less invasive, they will open up new possibilities for monitoring our health and detecting diseases at an earlier stage. AI is also transforming the field of medical imaging. By analyzing images from CT scans, MRIs, and X-rays, AI algorithms can help doctors detect and diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. This is particularly important for conditions like cancer, where early detection is crucial for successful treatment.
For example, AI algorithms have been shown to be highly effective at detecting lung nodules on CT scans, which can be an early sign of lung cancer. AI can also help radiologists interpret complex medical images more efficiently, reducing the time it takes to make a diagnosis and start treatment.
The integration of AI into imaging equipment is improving the accuracy and efficiency of diagnoses, leading to more timely and effective treatments. This is particularly important for diseases like cancer, where early detection can significantly improve patient outcomes. Smart insulin pumps, a new era for diabetes management. For people with diabetes, managing blood sugar levels can be a constant challenge. Traditional insulin pumps require manual adjustments based on blood glucose readings. However, AI-powered insulin pumps are emerging as a game changer in diabetes management.
These smart pumps use AI algorithms to analyze continuous glucose monitoring data and automatically adjust insulin delivery in real time. This closed-loop system helps to keep blood sugar levels within a healthy range, reducing the risk of complications from diabetes.
The development of smart insulin pumps is a major breakthrough for people living with diabetes. These devices offer greater convenience, improved blood sugar control, and a better quality of life. AI-powered diagnostics, faster and more accurate. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in disease diagnosis. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze patient data, such as medical images, lab results, and even genetic information, to identify patterns and make predictions about a person's health.
For example, AI algorithms have been developed to diagnose skin cancer from photographs of moles, detect sepsis in hospitalized patients, and even predict the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. These tools have the potential to significantly improve the speed and accuracy of diagnoses, leading to more timely and effective treatments.
The use of AI in diagnostics is still in its early stages, but it holds immense promise for the future of healthcare. As these tools become more sophisticated and widely available, they have the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases.
Smart rehabilitation, personalized recovery at your fingertips.
AI is also transforming the field of rehabilitation.
Smart rehabilitation devices use sensors and AI algorithms to track a patient's movements and provide personalized feedback and guidance during therapy.
This can help patients recover from injuries more quickly and regain lost function.
For example, AI-powered exoskeletons can help people with spinal cord injuries walk again. Other devices can assist with stroke rehabilitation, helping patients regain fine motor skills and improve their speech.
Smart rehabilitation devices offer a more personalized and engaging approach to therapy, leading to better outcomes for patients.
As these devices continue to evolve, they have the potential to significantly improve the lives of people recovering from injuries and disabilities.
AI in the operating room, precision and efficiency. AI is even making its way into the operating room. AI-powered surgical robots can assist surgeons with complex procedures, providing greater precision and control. These robots can also help to reduce surgical complications and improve patient outcomes. For example, AI-assisted robotic surgery is being used for procedures such as prostate surgery, heart surgery, and even brain surgery. The use of AI in surgery is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way many surgical procedures are performed. The integration of AI into surgical robots is enhancing surgical precision, reducing complications, and improving patient outcomes. As this technology continues to advance, it promises to make surgery safer and more effective.
AI-enabled ECG monitors your heartbeat under watchful eyes.
Electrocardiogram (ECG) monitors are essential tools for diagnosing and monitoring heart conditions.
Traditionally, ECGs require a visit to a doctor's office or hospital. However, AI-enabled portable ECG monitors are now available, allowing people to track their heart health from the comfort of their own homes.
These devices use AI algorithms to analyze heart rhythm and detect irregularities, such as arrhythmias.
If a potential problem is detected, the device can alert the user and their doctor, allowing for timely intervention.
Portable ECG monitors are empowering individuals to take control of their heart health.
By providing real-time monitoring and early detection of potential problems, these devices can help prevent serious cardiac events.
The future of AI in healthcare, a world of possibilities. The future of AI in healthcare is incredibly bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. From personalized medicine to drug discovery, AI has the potential to transform every aspect of healthcare. One of the most exciting possibilities is the development of AI-powered virtual assistants that can provide personalized health advice and support. Imagine having a virtual health coach available 24/7 to answer your questions, track your progress, and provide encouragement. AI has the potential to make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and effective for everyone. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI in healthcare, we can look forward to a future where technology empowers us to live longer, healthier lives.